Okay, hello student. It's Dyna 85 Al kit, which is based on Intel 8085A high performance CPU operating at a 3 megahertz clock frequency. Okay, numbers of units and modules are there which are used to performing or interfacing different devices with this kit. Okay, normally it consists of 8155 interfacing module as well as 8085 interfacing module. Okay, 8185 and 8085 modules. Okay, these normally are useful for the programming purposes. उसके जो भी pins connections है, it is directly interfacing with this. एंड इसकी जो भी इंटरफेसिंग है वो आप लाइक इनपुट एंड आउटपुट एग्जीक्यूशन के लिए यूज़ कर सकते हैं ये पर्टिकुलर पिन्स जो आपको दिए हैं. दिस पर्टिकुलर पिन्स इट इज़ इंटरनली कनेक्टेड विथ 8085 माइक्रो प्रोसेसर. ओके, एंड दिस वन इज़ द डिस्प्ले to display your result. Okay, and these are the normally used for the like pins connection, or you can say it is useful for the keyboard purpose. And these three, it is used for the memory, which we have already discussed in our manual. It consists of ROM, RAM as well as EEPROM. Okay, to store and executing your result and store at a particular memory locations. Okay, and this particular portion it is used for the timing operation. if you perform the any timing operation, so ये जो particular module है वो use होगा. ठीक है, and these are for the connection between keyboard and this Dyna 85L kit. This particular module is used for the connection between 8085 this particular Dyna 85L kit as well as this particular keyboard. Okay, so normally in this we have to externally interface this keyboard with your Dyna 85L. Okay, so first I just introduce your Dyna 85L. Even if I see here, so it is simply on off signal is there in your to operating your Dyna 85L kit, as well as at the राइट हैंड साइड इट इज़ अ वन रीसेट बटन. अगर आपको पूरी किट को अगर रीसेट करना है तो आप यहाँ से कर सकते हैं. एंड बैक साइड फैसिलिटी ऑफ फैन इज़ ऑल्सो प्रोवाइडेड like that. देखो, it is used for the fanning or cooling purpose of your kit. It is for a main pin connector. It is a female pin connector. Both are used for the serial and parallel connections. As well, it is a KBD. It is nothing but keyboard interface unit. It is a DIN 5 connector. इसमें 5 holes है जिसके थ्रू आप यहाँ पे कनेक्ट कर सकते हैं. It is a interfacing between your Dyna 85L kit and this particular keyboard. Okay, and 1 minute. Okay, and once this connector